In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name in Adobe Sign. We'll walk through the quickest way to update your name using your Adobe account profile, and then I'll show you an alternative path directly inside Adobe Sign. Both methods achieve the same result, so use whichever is easier for you. First, open any web browser and go to account.adobe.com/profile and sign in. This profile is tied to your Adobe ID, which is shared across all Adobe services, including Acrobat Sign. If you have more than one Adobe account, make sure you're using the one connected to the Sign account you use for sending or signing documents. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Account and Security. This area contains your core identity settings and is the most reliable place to make changes that apply across the Adobe ecosystem. Find the field named Account Name and click Change. This is your display name and is what recipients and collaborators will see on documents you send through Adobe Sign. Enter your new first name and last name, then click Save. Take a moment to check capitalization and spelling, since this is exactly how your name will appear in notifications and on signatures. This update doesn't change your email address or login credentials, only your displayed name. Your updated name should now appear in Adobe Sign when you send or sign documents. If you already have the Adobe Sign tab open, refresh it. In some cases, it can take a moment to sync. If you don't see the change immediately, sign out and sign back in to prompt a quick refresh. If you prefer to work inside Adobe Sign, there's an alternative method. Log into Adobe Sign as you normally would. In the top right corner, click your name to open your user menu, then select Manage Account. This takes you to your account settings within the Sign experience. Under the Account section, click Edit. Update your first name and last name, then click Save. This directly changes the name Adobe Sign uses for sending, signing, and activity records. If you don't see an edit option, your organization may manage names centrally, and you'll simply use the profile method or wait for administrative updates. You may need to log out and log back in to see the updated name reflected across the app. That's it. Whether you updated your name in your Adobe account profile or from within Adobe Sign, your display name is now current. Before sending an important agreement, preview your document to confirm the name looks right. This helps avoid confusion and keeps your audit trails clean and professional.